guys, I'm here now at Tramway. Dito lang po, Firma. Wow! Let's go! Veggies guys. Tomato, cucumber, mayo eggs. Ooh, mochi. Half lumpia, pancit guisado, vegetables, salt and pepper, tofu, sweet and sour pork. Let's get chicken. Fried wonton. I got my foods. Amen. Greens. Wow. Sarap. Wow. They have lots of fruits and desserts. The soup, their soup is good too. Good for rainy days. I love their food. Roasted chicken. Yeah. Yang chow fried rice. Whoa. Aki. Guys, may mga foreigner din pala dito. Ang ganda ng place nila. Ang sarap i-combine ng yang chow sa soup. Let's try their lumpia. So far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fish chicharon. Nacho and fries. Dessert time. They have my favorite, mochi. Macaroni salad. Also, they have fruits for dessert. Fruit jelly. Drop them. They have cookies. I want to try their other desserts. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Wow. Steamed cream dory. I'm back for another eating moment. Meron pa silang cream dory. It's steamed fish. Choco. Ano sa choco? Meron pa siyang feeling na comforting, no? Dahil pa sa soft buns. This is their dessert station. They have assorted jelly, palitaw, maha blanca, fruit jelly. I want fruits. Favorite ko to. Let's get the coffee jelly first. Pandan jelly. Okay, kaya mo yan guys. Cupcake. Para kang nagkape. Dip the mini cupcake sa coffee jelly and you're good to go. This is cake pop. Hindi na ako mag-rating. The place is good, the ambience is good, the staffs are good, and the food is so good. Overall, in Tramway, 5 stars.